Okay, let's get it together. So anyways, guys, hey, what's up? It's your girl Amanda, and today I got a haul for you guys. So I shopped till I freaking dropped this weekend. So I do have a bunch of stuff, but that's more like fashion and things like that I'll do in a separate haul video, because I don't want to be sitting here for like 25 minutes hauling a whole bunch of stuff. So I bought a lot of stuff, and I also picked up a few things from Winners also. So why don't we get started? I think I'm just gonna start with Winners because it only has 3 things. So I picked up this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick because honestly, I have never ever tried a Kat Von D liquid lipstick ever. They're really expensive at Sephora, and I got this one for only $7.99, so I had to pick it up to try it out. It's like this really nice, like light nude color, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's called Noble. It's this like beautiful kind of like peachy nude. Oh, it's gonna look so good with a 10, yes. I also picked up this really cool gold pop socket, and what I thought was really cool about this is it actually has like a little mount in there, because if you have a pop socket on the back of your phone and you use any other kind of like, you know, tight phone mount, I use a magnet one, it doesn't work. Like it just, that pop socket totally makes it unusable. So when I seen that it comes with like a special pop socket mount, I was like, hell yes, I'ma try it, because I always need to use like GPS and stuff to get around, especially now that we moved in like a new place. The last thing I picked up, oh my gosh, I was so excited about this because not only was it on clearance for only $16, it's a Juicy Couture wallet. How freaking adorable is that? And another added bonus is, now some of you guys might think that I'm just crazy, but I absolutely loved that the cards go in this way instead of like going, you know, sideways. I thought that was really rad. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. It's got the 2 wallet pockets and the zipper change pocket, and then a few card holders. But for 16 bucks, hell yes. I have been getting a little bit of a juicy collection happening. Hang on, I gotta show you real quick. So if you've seen my what I got for Christmas haul, this was one of the things I got for Christmas, and it's this adorable juicy pink bag. And this beauty right here is a Juicy Couture fanny pack. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And this guy is featured in my Bougie on a Budget video. It's a good one. You don't want to miss it. Anyways, let's get back to the haul. So now we are Marshalls and Home Sense for the rest of the haul. And oh my gosh, these are freaking adorable. I found these white Fila slides. Like, look at that silver. It's so freaking shiny, and they were $10. $10 freaking dollars. They're so light, so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Then I also picked up in the Home Sense part of Marshalls. Oh, how beautiful is this? It's like a holographic pastel purple unicorn head with a gold unicorn horn. I had to pick this up. It was $14.99. How freaking beautiful. And if you know me, you know I love myself a good unicorn. So moving on. Okay, this bag excites me. So I picked up a makeup brush because, let's be real, you can never have too many makeup brushes. Oh, it feels so freaking soft. Yes, I did open it to feel it because I don't want no like scratchy ass powder brush. I'm not even gonna try to butcher the crap out of this brand, so I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen. And I got this brush for $8.99, which really, for the size and the quality, I think is a really good price. Then I also picked up a makeup palette. I grabbed this Shan XO, the Remix by BH Cosmetics, and man, this was only $7.99. Oh, $8 for a BH Cosmetics makeup palette. Like, that's freaking amazing. And it's actually a really nice palette. It's 18 shadows in there. There is this 9. And then by flipping up the bottom, bam, you get another 9. There are some really cute colors. It's a mixture of like fun, bright colors, but it also has some really nice natural nudes, some mauves in there. So I'm really excited to try this out. And oh my gosh, I totally forgot about these. Not only did I find an amazing clearance item at Winners, but I also found 2 adorable clearance items at Marshall's too. These are 2 necklaces by Isabella M. I don't know, I've never heard of her before or that designer, but oh my goodness guys, they are regular $25, but I got them for $11. And they're so beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can show you. So this one says always in gold. I don't know if you can see that good or not. It says always. So stinking adorable. This one says Bay. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so small and dainty. Aren't those necklaces absolutely gorgeous? Oh! Anyways, we are at the last bag. I picked up a new pair of headphones because anytime I edit any videos, no matter where I am, because to be honest, I like to just shut out the entire world and get my work done. You know what I mean? And these are absolutely adorable. They are white. These also have the built-in microphone, so I could use them with my phone. And these were $16.99, which is an amazing deal. Then I picked up this little tiny purse. Is absolutely genius. Oh my gosh, like why didn't I get a bag like this a million years ago? When I seen this was like freaking magical to me. So it is a little purse. It does also come with a crossbody strap, but this purse is specifically a little pocket for your phone. Let me just get mine. You can slide it perfectly in there. It fits excellent. And this zipper part in the back is for all of your cards and it's a little freaking wallet. So those are the 2 most important things that I would ever need, my cell phone and my wallet. That is so freaking magical. And this was only $24.99 and it's absolutely adorable. It has a little handle here. It also has a little zipper pocket here for whatever you might need it for. And look at that adorable little bow. Ah! And like I said, it does come with like a crossbody strap. Freaking mind blown. You guys are probably like, girl, that's a wallet purse. Like, it's not that special. And I'm like, yes, it is. And last but not least, to be honest, this last thing isn't even from Marshall's. It's actually from EB Games because Josh wanted to grab a few new video games for his new PlayStation VR that I got him for Christmas. And oh my gosh, I seen this adorable little guy. It's the Bright Bomber from Fortnite. Like, I have never ever played the game before, but she is so freaking cute. She has a unicorn shirt on. She carries this unicorn freaking horse head on a stick. So I had to get her. She was on sale too. It was only $7.99 for this adorable little Bright Bomber girl. Oh. I'm such a freaking poser and I don't even play the game. But I think that if you like something, rock it no matter what. Who gives a crap about what other people say or think? Life is way too short to even worry about that stuff. Trust me. Anyways, guys, that brings an end to this portion of the shopping haul. I hope you really enjoyed it. And I just want to fill you guys in on a little something really quick. I've been feeling like hella creative lately. Like, I've busted out my sewing machine. So I'm gonna start doing like clothing DIY videos and other different creative DIYs. So I really hope that that's something that interests you guys. I don't know though. Let me know because this really excites me. So I really hope you're excited for it too. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. You know I love you guys so much. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button before you leave so you stay up to date on all of my videos. And while you're at it, you might as well follow me on all my social medias. Those are also linked down in the description bar. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get going so I can do my nails, okay? These guys are looking rough. Anyways, guys, till next time. Bye, guys.